How to put ads on YouTube videos to make money. Start making money from YouTube video ads. Create your YouTube channel. Step 1. Create your account or use your existing one. Add keywords to help people find your channel. You can add keywords by navigating to the advanced section of your channel settings. Make sure that your keywords are relevant to your content. Step 2. Your username can also work for or against you. If it's short, easy to remember, and original, people will be more apt to remember you. However, if you are using an existing account, you can always change your username by editing it on your Google+ account. Now follow these steps for putting ads on YouTube videos and start making money. In order to start earning money on your videos, you'll need to enable monetization. This means you are allowing YouTube to place ads in your video. This also means that you acknowledge that there is no copyrighted material in your video. Step 1. Go to www.youtube.com and click My Channel on the web page. Step 2. Click the link called Video Manager on the top bar. Step 3. Click Channel and enable on monetization. You need a minimum of 10,000 views on your YouTube video to start earning money. You can monetize a video as it uploads by clicking the Monetization tab and checking the Monetize with Ads box. To monetize a video after it has been uploaded, open your Video Manager and click the $sign next to the video that you want to monetize. Check the Monetize with Ads box. How to put ads on YouTube video through Google AdSense. Step 1. You can set up Google AdSense for free at the AdSense website. Click the Sign Up Now button to begin creating your account. You must be 18 years or older to create your own account. If you are younger than that, you will need an adult to help you. Step 2. You need either PayPal or a bank account and a valid mailing address as well as other information, so that AdSense can verify who you are and who to send the money to. Remember, you only gain money per ad. Step 3. You only gain money per ad click and a smaller amount per view, but it adds up over time. This is why having an audience is the key. Once you have some videos online, monetized, and being viewed, you can check out the analytics on them to see how they are performing. Click the Analytics option in your channel menu. Here you can view estimated earnings, ad performance, video views, demographics and more. That's all you need to start making money through YouTube videos ads. Thank you.